Hey everybody! Today we are going to make watermelon orange popsicles. I have a bunch of watermelon and quite a bit of orange juice I need to use up, so we're going to make some popsicles today. It's a hot summer day in Florida. We only have popsicle holders at the moment, so we're going to have to either drink the rest of it or we'll see who we can fit in there. This is my Ninja blender with a food processor attachment, and we're going to start putting things in. Right, huh? Put some of the watermelon in there. Right, fit as much of it as you can.
That's enough.
Alright, that's probably good. That's enough. Now we're going to add in orange juice.
It's kind of milky.
Kind of what?
Milky.
Milky?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to turn it on.
It's doing. It's gonna be fine, I said.
Here we go. To put this through a sieve so we can get all of the seeds out and any like pulp from the watermelon. Alright, I'm gonna pour this in here.
It's gonna be so delicious. Yeah, it is. Gonna be so delicious. It is. I'm so excited.
Okay, now we need to get a spoon. And we're gonna sift some of that pulp out.
Gonna be so fun.
It's gonna be yummy, huh?
We're gonna put in those and those and those. It's gonna be so. Go. I'm looking for the last one of those. The last one.
I don't know where it's at. Yeah, I have the bottom of it, but I don't know where the lid is. Do you know where the lid is to the top? This?
No.
I don't know either.
No.
All right, we've got most of the juice out of there.
I can't wait to try it. Me too. Can't wait.
Well, it's got to sit for 6 hours in the freezer for making popsicles. I know. Okay, now we're going to dump it in here. And we want a little bit of room in here because when we put the top on, we don't want it to overflow.
It's gonna be tasty.
It's gonna be tasty.
Uh-huh. Daddy never knew we would make this.
All right. Now we're gonna pop our tops on. Now you can put any kind of fruit in here. You could put strawberries, you could put grapefruit, you could put lemon juice if you like lemon juice. You could put apple juice, grapes, really anything, but I needed to use up watermelon. Great job, huh? I needed to use up orange juice. Needed to use it up.
I want it.
Give it a lick.
What color you want?
Red.
What do you think? Lick it.
No.
I hope you all enjoyed watching. Have a great day.
You want to try a giant.